Marcolita, and may I be allowed to explain my vote? Thank you, Mr. President. Last June 10, a day before the 19th Congress adjourned Sine Die, I stood on the same spot conveying my serious concerns on the constitutional infirmities surrounding the articles of impeachment that the 19th Congress of the House of Representatives transmitted to the Senate. I pointed out that the circumstances surrounding the filing of articles of impeachment seem to violate the one-year bar rule enshrined in Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, among others. Given this patent violation of the Constitution, I made a motion to dismiss the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. After a long discussion with the members of this chamber of the 19th Congress, I listened and I learned. My motion for dismissal was amended by Senator Alan Cayetano and became a motion to remand. The impeachment court then ordered the remanding of the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives. This chamber also requires the 20th Congress House of Representatives to communicate whether or not they are willing and ready to pursue the impeachment complaint, a requirement which until now has not been complied with. In a sudden shift of events, before the opening of the 28th Congress, the Supreme Court took all by surprise when it promulgated their decision on petitions challenging the validity of the articles of impeachment against Vice President Duterte. When the Supreme Court released their decision to the media, many people expressed their views. There are those who celebrated and commended the Supreme Court. Others voiced out their disappointments. Some criticized the decision. The mixed reactions seem to suggest that the decision promulgated lacks clarity. And yet, Mr. President, after reading the decision, I asked myself, is it long? Yes, 97 pages to be exact. Is it vague? No, Mr. President, it is clear as day. According to the plain meaning rule or verbal leges, if the statute is clear, plain, and free from ambiguity, it must be given its literal meaning and applied without interpretation.